Italiano facile? Sì, ma studiando. The dream of many is to learn Italian or another language easily. The truth is that to achieve our goal, we must study. No matter what they tell you out there, you have to study. Read, repeat out loud, do the exercises, listen, repeat, write. In short, make the necessary effort. While there is no magic formula or secret to learning a language in a week or a month, there are tools that can help. For example, we YouTubers offer valuable support to help you maximize your exposure to the language. There are also podcasts, radio for the more experienced, and subtitled films. Apps are also a great help. I use Duolingo, for example, and no, Duolingo doesn't pay me to advertise it. Actually, they don't even know I exist. The point is that I really think it's a great tool, even if it's not perfect. We can learn words and whole sentences, and with the spaced repetition method, the structures eventually get into your head. So, go and try Duolingo. They have a free version that is more than good enough. That said, we also wanted to make our own contribution to this diverse universe of tools for learning Italian. Here is our latest effort, a complete A1 Italian course. It's a small book, about 180 pages, where you can take your first steps in Italian or solidify your knowledge. I have A2 level students who find it very useful, so don't underestimate the A1 basics. You can download a free sample from our website. The link is in the description of the video, of course. There are 20 lessons. They come with a text or dialogue in Italian, complete with audio, glossary, grammar, exercises, and English translation. At the end of each lesson, we have added some cultural insights, because language and culture are of course intertwined. So we cover topics such as our driving culture, Italian weddings, the most important supermarkets, why not? They are also a part of daily life and experience. What else? Health, pets, and much more. We have also paid special attention to the design of our texts and dialogues. Our goal is to offer the real Italian that we speak every day, and each lesson is based on this material. Well, let's have a look at our lesson number 6. It's about everyday life and reflexive verbs. This is one of the lessons that my own students always appreciate the most. On the left, you will find a summary of the lesson's topics and bite-sized specific content. On the right, you will find useful expressions for everyday life, la vita quotidiana. On the next page, you find a glossary and a text. Other lessons have also dialogues. Then comprehension and exercises. Next, grammar notes. And as we move through the pages, you will see more exercises on the left to put grammar and vocabulary into practice immediately. The solutions can be found at the end of each lesson, just before our cultural tips. Throughout the book, you'll find links to our YouTube videos on the same topics. You can access the audio files through a QR code, and you'll find a glossary of grammar terms if you're not sure what is what. We have really put our best efforts and passion into what we believe will be an effective tool for your language journey. You can find this brainchild of ours on Amazon, paperback and Kindle, of course. And if you like what we do, check out our other books on Amazon, our concise Italian grammar handbook and our video course Learn Italian with Art for more advanced learners. Let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe you already have our grammar book, or maybe you think this new book could be interesting. Reach out and let us know. Grazie a tutti e a presto!